everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks, and the time has come. Welcome to my Halloween home tour 2023. Okay, are you ready to go in?
This is Halloween.
So welcome to my haunted house. So here's my friendly witch. And then on my coffee table, I have a witch's cauldron with some eyeballs in it. My little spell books. This cute pair of witch's boots. This creepy skull. I love this green hand that holds my candle. And over here on this little table, I have my potion section, another skull, and some potion bottles, some candles, and then I have guests. And this one, she just loves lounging on the couch all day. I think she's half dead. And this is Edgar, my friend. Hi, Edgar. My hot chair, I've just put some creepy cloth on it. Have a wicked Halloween. And I've hung one of my witch's brooms that I made last year. Then up here I have my Halloween witches, my Hocus Pocus broom sign, come in for a spell. I love this witch. The old Salem Broom Company. Another cute little sign. So let's go on out into the hall. You gotta duck because the bats are gonna get you. Got my Halloween cats out. Just hung some creepy cloths. Got my jack-o'-lanterns down there with some more skulls. These are some Halloween metal sculptures that my mom had bought. They were her favorite. I've had those for a few years. And this little guy is kind of creepy. Of course, he's not turned on. Let's see if I can find him. There we go. The evil pumpkin. Love decorating for Halloween. This is another. Whoa. Thank you. My baskets I have filled with creepy crawling spiders. And you gotta watch out for the bats overhead. Some more jack-o'-lanterns and skulls. This little pumpkin I have had for years. Fortune teller sign. Candles on my table. And this is just a tray, a wooden tray, made up to look like a spirit board. My little palmistry sign. And a couple of my favorite little vintage pumpkins. So we're gonna look at these cute little girls here. These are creepy dolls that I painted last year or the year before. They are freaky. So this is the hallway we just came down. Left off with these creepy little dolls. My china hutch. I just covered it with creepy cloth. And a little sign, October 31. So let me take you in the kitchen. I finally got all my salt and pepper shakers up here on this shelf. I think they are so cute. This little crate is perfect for them. Witch napkin holder there. Creepy sign. I found this adorable apron. I think it's homemade. It didn't have any tags on it, and it looks like hand stitched, but it's so cute. It's got the candy corn and pumpkins, bats, just adorable. My little coffee area here with my sugar bowl and creamer. They're mummy cats. Home sweet haunted home. And these little tea towels here are so cute. Feline wicked. And this is a really pretty little candy bowl. I think it originally came from Target. I found it a few years ago at Goodwill. And a little Johanna Parker. I guess it's for soaps. I just put it at the sink. So cute. Another candy bowl here that my son John bought me with the cat. I love the orange and the black. Okay, so these are all my cute little Halloween figures. I think they are so vintage looking. This is the optic light up witch. Had it for years. This little pumpkin, so cute. Little paper mache Halloween cat. And this is one of my favorites, this little pumpkin man. Little ghost here that says eek. And I love the little paper mache skeleton. This is a cat I found this year. So cute. And this white pumpkin I got last year. I don't remember where. And another fiber optic witch. So let's go over, oh, and up here I hung some spiders. Okay, let's go look at my kitchen table. I did it all in traditional orange and black. I've had these placemats for a long, long time. I think they're so cute. And I've got the orange plates and the silver charger. And then my centerpiece, I've got the candelabras with black and white pumpkins. And I've got all kinds of creepy crawlies down here. These I found at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. These metal spiders. I love them. Skeleton hand. And more spiders. Okay, over here on my buffet, I've got the Halloween candelabras here. I don't know if you can see, but they light up and flicker. These black candles I found this year at Dollar General. And I love mixing in tarnished silver at Halloween time. There's a sugar bowl full of eyeballs. And I've got some crows. Silver platter that goes to my tea set. And this skeleton man is really creepy. And he's holding some candles. Cute little signs. Pick your poison. My sugar bowl and creamer, all tarnished. And my teapot with another crow. And this is a very old 1930s mirror that I have covered with creepy cloth. I'm trying to get out of the picture so you can see it, not me. And this is, it's hard to tell, but it's like a 3D hand coming out of the mirror. So I just covered it with the creepy cloth and spider webs. And then up here on my lamp above the table, I have some creepy cloth with some orange and black tarantulas hanging off. So out of my living room, I don't have too much out here really. There's my Halloween cat. So I have this cute pillow here, which is kitchen. Just a couple little pumpkins. These were a DIY, these hands, and my garland that I have sticking up. I painted them. They're from the dollar store. They look like they're coming right out of a swamp. And my spirit ball.
Come closer, so that I may see your future. My advice to you is, if your true life praise me.
Oh, so I have Edgar and his girlfriend. I haven't named her yet. Sitting at the spirit ball table, covered with creepy cloth and a little black tablecloth. Another cat, but he's not all black. My Hocus Pocus pillow, and I love this telephone.
Look behind you.
It's pretty creepy. It says all kinds of things.
I know who you are.
We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service.
Actually, that is the message I have right now on my answering machine. So I have this pillow here. Welcome to our haunted house. On the table, I just have a black pumpkin with an orange spider. Pictures of our ancestors. And there's great-great-great-grandpa. But they're creepy, aren't they? And this little light-up skeleton I got at Dollar General this year. And then I have this throw I found. The white one with pumpkins and witches' brooms. Bats, skeletons. Perfect for Halloween. So let me just turn you around in my room. I love Halloween. Now, I'm going to be coming back at the very end because I want to share a message with you. So hold on while we listen to Fester. And I forgot I had one more little area. Just a little metal stacked pumpkins there with a candle. And I know you probably have, but a lot of people haven't seen my house, so my laundry room is just basic, and I just to make me smile while I'm doing laundry, I have little pumpkins and skeletons up there. And I do have a bat problem this year. So now that it's a little darker, I'll show you my kitchen table and buffet, all lit up with candles. So I want to thank you for joining me for my Halloween home tour, and I encourage you to go watch the other participants, and a big thank you to Antonette for organizing this event. Now in my description box below, I will have links to all the other ladies so you can go see their home tours. And again, thank you all so much. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.